don't know, I just feel like I can inspire people to get this car or want to get this car. All I'm doing is just inspiring people, and I just make content, you know what I'm saying? YouTube! Welcome back to another video with the only Carter, and today we are whipping the 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive, 232 horsepower, which is a hybrid black edition. Today's video was going to be another morning POV drive, but you know what? I want to switch it up. I was going through my YouTube studio messages and comments, and one of my known subscribers, his name is Bix, he put me onto a YouTube idea, so I'm gonna do it today. So we're taking the car for we're going on the back roads in sport mode, just drive around, some casual. Hopefully no cops catch us lacking. Start the car real quick. Let's start the car. Anyways, like I was saying, chat. The spoiler was supposed to come on Monday, but it was a delayed package. So that means it got all the way delayed till today. And I checked this morning, once again. It's saying it will come today. If it doesn't come today, I will have to just order a refund, which I'm not trying to do, but it's all good. We're gonna get that spoiler. And yeah. Hopefully you guys been pretty good lately, you know what I'm saying? This is day 11 of consistent upload, chat. You know what I'm saying? Got a couple more days till we hit 30. All right, this is gonna be a good video, I promise you. Thanks to my boy Bix. Yeah, we're gonna get, once we get, bro, look, I don't bet anymore. I think it's stupid, but I have like these bonus bets, and like a bonus bet is I don't need to put any money. Oh, I was supposed to turn that way. And my other one was a first quarter points to win like $50. But I won that. Instantly got the battery that I was talking about, chat, and probably a GoPro case. Oh shoot, that felt like a roller coaster. Yeah, thank you, Vix. I'm gonna tag you in the video for the video idea. I appreciate you. Tomorrow will be that sunset drive that I was promising you guys. We're gonna get that done. I just gotta wake up early. I just gotta have that mindset to wake up, you know what I'm saying? I'm not a lazy person. It's just like, sometimes when I wake up, gang, I'm just so tired. But you'll never catch me lacking. And now if you do catch me lacking out in the real world, congrats. I mean, I only have 2 eyes. I don't have 4 eyes. I don't have glasses, though. I feel like people with glasses, they can't see. Don't take any offense if any of you guys wear glasses, if you guys are watching this video right now. But thank the man up above that we woke up today, chat. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Let's go this way. Actually, I'm gonna try gears. Bro, I don't really know gears like that. I don't really want to mess up my transmission. Eventually, we're gonna go to stick. But chat, I'm thinking about either if I have a job lined up outside of Ohio or somewhere in Ohio, for me, it doesn't really matter where I go. I just want to start my career, and if I have to live away from my family, which is fine, I'm just gonna have to really lock in. Content creation is gonna go up, working my job, you know what I'm saying? bills, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have everything organized, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have the dopest apartment. I'm not thinking like trying to copy Quan's ideas, but I mean, I'm a hypebeast type of person. I like Murakami, I like Supreme, I like Babe. I like everything in that nature, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna come LED lights, bro. I'm gonna come trim, chat. I'm telling you. Whew. We'll come and trim when we get our first apartment. But I'm trying to live in a studio. The only reason why I say studio, because I just like content creation. I just like the idea of it. I just feel like if you really put your mind to it, you can create any type of content and you can make an audience yourself, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't take that much skill. It's literally free. You just got to know what you're doing, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, going back to the apartment, it's either a penthouse or we come studio, you know what I'm saying, chat? I mean, this car's already paid off, so my next car, I'm thinking either I come BMW, Audi, or I don't know. I don't know about driving Tesla. I really don't like Teslas, but when I first drove that Tesla, the Model 3 Performance, oh no, not Performance, just regular, I like speed myself, so I like feeling the adrenaline of going fast. I know that might sound bad, chat, but it just feels good. But Teslas, they're okay. Lucid's better though. Another fatherless child, I left you away. Oh yeah, we going on that way. Like, for example, I'm driving a Toyota Camry. Yes, I'm not driving a Supra. I'm not driving a BMW, nor a Trackhawk. Yes, I would get more views like that, but I don't know. I just feel like I can inspire people to get this car or want to get this car. All I'm doing is just inspiring people, and I just make content, you know what I'm saying? But once we get into more vlogging and I get into my next car, I'm gonna still do videos with this car, but this is just the start, you know what I'm saying? I appreciate all 2,000 of my subscribers, really do. We couldn't have done it without y'all. It's dead serious. And we're just gonna keep stacking, you know what I'm saying, chat? Bro, I'm trying to get a move on. What are we doing? Another fatherless child, I left you away. Such a goofy. Yeah, she looks sped herself. Yeah, don't shake your head, goofy. I seen that cop. I seen him. He really thought he was gonna catch me lacking. Wow. Imagine he pulls out. Oh my God, I'm gonna be scarred. I knew he was camping. Let me wait. Bro, imagine he comes out, bro. I'm gonna have the video rolling. Honestly, I low-key want to troll. trust these roads back here. 12 likes sitting over here. I'm dead serious. Another fatherless child. I left you away. Ooh. Oh nah. I don't wanna. Shoot, I like this road. It's called Fields. Now if I bust a right, then we're gonna bust a right. How we doing right now? How we doing, chat? You know, Toyota Camry isn't the fastest, but it is a fun car, I'm not gonna lie. It definitely is. I'm still waiting for the Toyota to release the TRD versions of the 25 and the 26s. I don't know for sure if they are going to do that, but I feel like once they make the 10th generation of Toyota Camrys, they're probably gonna make it. I seen the concept car of the Camry. It's a GT, but it looks cool, but it's just the designs. There's nothing really different inside the car. Maybe just a little bit of technology, but nothing for real, for real. Toyota is better than Honda. I want you guys to know that. Oh, I like these turns. I like this road. This feels like a track to me, I ain't gonna lie. Like these roads, like the turns and like the short, narrow roads, like that. This reminds me of like Forza. Oh, look at the horses, boys. Sheesh. Alright, so where do we go now? Where do we go now? We either can go straight. Yeah, we're gonna go straight. Honestly, I think we started back where we came from. screen. Y'all heard that guy? I know y'all did. He thought he was doing something. I'm not worried about him. Yo, always remember, guys, whatever you do in life, people are always gonna hate on you. Now, if people actually hate on you, then you're doing something right. Honestly, you just gotta shut that out. It doesn't even really matter. Yes, I know I'm doing Toyota Camry POVs or videos, but does that really matter? Like, you went out your day to comment on my video. I mean, hey, you're getting me more viewers at the end of the day, so I don't even really care. You just look goofy yourself, you know what I'm saying, chat? Don't feed into that negative energy, chat. They're just trying to get you, trying to bait you. I'm not even talking about YouTube. I'm just talking about life in general. People are always gonna hate. Remember, people rather show negativity than positivity. And honestly, chat, I just did it in a circle and I didn't even notice. So we about to hit the crib. I'm probably about to, like, do I get a Starbucks? Bro, I'm like low-key addicted, I ain't gonna lie. I'm looking trying to get a smoothie real quick, you know what I'm saying, chat? Could've gone that way, but I didn't. Another fatherless child. The only gotta. Hey guys, I want to let you guys know I'm the rarest person you will ever meet in your life. Now, if you don't meet me and you only meet me on YouTube, that's perfectly cool. You're gonna see my name one day. Chad, I was just gonna pull over real quick to figure out what type of drink I want. Bro, look at this car, gang. Hold up. Don't even get me started real quick. We about to go over there. Don't even get me started. Who's calling? Bro, don't even get me started. Who puts this wrap on this car? And it's a Chevrolet, you know what I'm saying, bro? That don't even look sweet. Honestly, we're just gonna examine the car real quick. Bro goes orange wrap on a black. I don't even know what this is. Like, what is this, Chad? This car looks terrible. Like, there's no way somebody went out their way. Oh, it's a Cleveland wrap on this type of car, Chad. Got wrap, bro. Who mans is this? Who mans is this? And it's always them white, weird people who always just be staring. See, watch. I'm gonna catch her lacking. I caught her lacking. Wash. It's gonna probably rain this week too, so. 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive, and it's black on black. You know, if you would have got the regular SE, this comes gray, that doesn't come black. What else? Black rims as well, and the emblems as well. Don't mind this dent, I'm gonna get it out too, so yeah, that's pretty much. I look crazy right now. YouTube, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you comment down below if you want to see another type of video like this, or, you know, if you have a video type of idea, I would love to do that. If not, it's cool. Make sure you guys subscribe at the Twizzy channel or the Only Carter, you know what I'm saying? Let's try to hit 3,000 subscribers real quick. Chat, we've been doing really good on the subscriber count. I remember maybe literally like last week I would just hit 2,000 subscribers. Now we're at 2,000 like 50 something, you know what I'm saying? Let's keep running up the subs. Let's keep growing. And eventually we will hit 10K. I got a surprise for you guys at 10K though. That's probably gonna be in the next 5 months, in the next 8, a year, who knows? But I love you guys. Make sure you guys do subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.